YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Global Rail TV, and today I'm coming back with yet another car review video for you guys. But before we get into this video, I just want to give a special shout out to Foreign Affairs and Pompano, because without them, this video won't be possible. So if you guys could do me a favor and hit that link down below to their website. Without further ado, let's get into the car reviews. So in today's video, we have an M4 Competition xDrive. But this isn't just any M4. This is the KITH Edition, which is a limited edition model, and only 150 of these exist worldwide. It has a starting MSRP of around $112,000. The KITH Edition is available in 3 different colors: Frozen Black, Frozen Dark Silver, and Frozen Brilliant White, which is the model we have today. Starting off today's video, we will be starting under the hood of this BMW M4 Competition xDrive. Powering this vehicle is a 3-liter twin turbocharged inline-6 engine. It has 503 horsepower with 6,200 RPM and 479 pound-feet of torque with 2,700 RPM. Now this is the xDrive, which means this is a all-wheel drive vehicle. But in the infotainment system, you can make this car a 2-wheel drive if necessary. The M4 Competition comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. The M4 Competition does not have a manual. This vehicle weighs in at 3,904 pounds with a 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds and doing a quarter mile in 11 seconds flat at 125 miles per hour. The top speed of this vehicle is 155 miles per hour, or without the limiter, the top speed of this vehicle is 180 miles per hour. It has a fuel tank capacity of 15.6 gallons, give you 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. It has a wheelbase of 112.5 inches. It has an overall length of 189 inches and has an overall height of 54 inches and overall width of 74 inches. This is the key fob of the BMW M4 Competition xDrive KITH Edition. So walk into this vehicle with the key in my hand. You don't have to press anything. As soon as you walk up, it will unlock. Just like that, guys. Going on to the exterior of this vehicle, starting off with the front. On the hood, we have 2 indentations, giving it that aggressive look. Coming all the way down, working our way down some more, we have the BMW logo. This isn't the original BMW logo. Coming down some more, we have that kidney grille styling with an integrated forward front-facing camera right in the middle. And to the right, inside of the grille, we have that M4 Competition badge. Fun fact, the M in M4 Competition stands for Motorsport. And we do have another parking sensor right here. Coming a little bit to the right, we have some carbon fiber down there. And coming to the right some more, we do have a functional vent, having some air passing through. Going to the headlights, we do have LED headlights, and these are LED laser headlights. And if you can see on the inside, it has that C shape to it. Coming to the sides, this does have a staggered wheel setup, giving us 19 inches in the front and 20 in the rear. We do have 6 piston brakes up in the front. Coming some more to the side, we do have another M4 Competition logo badging. Going down all the way to the side, we do have some more lines, giving it that more aggressive look. Down here, we do have a nice side splitter, all black. Coming to the rear, we have 20 inches in the rear. Some more dinner plates back there with the holes in them to extract all that heat when we're braking. And in the rear of this vehicle, as you guys can see, we do have a mounted spoiler. This spoiler is carbon fiber. And on the back of the BMW logo, we do have the backup camera. Coming down some more, we do have a carbon fiber diffuser. And I love these quad tips in the back of this BMW, giving it that nice aggressive look. I will start this up in a minute for you guys so you guys can hear what that sounds like. While in the rear of this vehicle, if you want to open the trunk, coming up right under the BMW badge, there's a little button that you can open the trunk. Inside to the right, you have your little space for some more storage. As well to the left, you have another net for some more storage as well. The trunk is 12.5 cubic feet. These back seats do go down just by pulling these levers right here. Back seats will go down. And to close this trunk, this is a power trunk, so all you have to do is hit this button right here. The trunk will come down on its own. This vehicle does have remote start, so what you want to do is grab your key fob, press the lock button 3 times to fire up the engine. And another 3 times to turn it off. Now going into the interior of this vehicle, as you guys can see, we got some soft leather right here. You have your memory foam seating, just in case if it's more than one person driving the vehicle. Right here you have all your window controls. Right here, as you guys can see, we have some aluminum going down the handle. You have your unlock and lock button. You have your speakers right here. This BMW M4 competition has 16 speakers. And at the bottom, you do have some storage. You have a cup holder. Right here is the trunk release button. Coming down, we have the M4 competition badge on the door panel. You do have some power seating on your power seating adjustments. And this M4 competition does have the bucket seats finished off in red and blue. I love this design. And this is the KITH Edition. As you can see, it has it all on the headrest. And on the seat belt, we do have your M Sport stitching going down the whole seat belt and back here on the tab to pull as well. To go into the back of this vehicle, pulling this, and it will move forward on its own. I'm jumping and starting into the back. It will move itself back. We just closed the back seat, and I am 5'10", so we do have some room back here, although it's not as much room as you would want, but you can fit some passengers in the back seat if you may. Coming down here, we have 2 USB-C ports. We have your climate control to control the AC for the passengers in the back, and here are the vents for the back seat. And showing you guys the view to my right, we do have that KITH all on the back of the headrest in the rear as well. The seat moves forward so I can get out the vehicle. You have all your lighting controls right here on the left side, and you do have some ambient lighting right here. You do have your AC vents, of course. And jumping to the steering wheel, on the left side you have all your cruise control options, and on the right side you have your volume up and down and all your Bluetooth options for your cell phone. I just love this steering wheel because we get some more M stitching all across it. And it's a nice fat steering wheel. It does have some carbon fiber in between as well, with the M badging at the bottom. And of course, we have your M1 and M2, and that is for the drive settings. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But let's fire up this vehicle. Now that the vehicle is started up, you guys can see on the left side we have your fuel gauge, and on the right side we have your temperature gauge, and of course in the middle will be your navigation, and we have that nice digital dash. Coming down some on the right side, you have even more controls you could go through. Going to this infotainment system, of course you got your media options. Going back to the home, here you have your command options, which has BMW assist, BMW messages, and more. Going back to home, we have navigation. Coming back out, we have all your information about the car. Got your end menu, your vehicle status, shows you your engine, your tire level, and down here we have more apps, and this does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is a touchscreen, or as well you could use the pad down here as well to control it. Now coming down, of course you guys have some more vents, of course, and right here shows the temperature of what the AC is at, and you could set the AC by just pressing down on it. If you want to go up, push the button up, and of course you have your heated and ventilated seats. This is for your max AC. For the front windshield, you got your rear windshield, and coming down to this side you have some more AC controls as well. Coming down, we do have your on and off button for the radio, and you have all your stations right here as well. And if you want, this is how you change the next song or go back to the next song. And coming down, we have some more carbon fiber as well, and we have some nice cup holders right here as well, with a USB port and a 12-volt charging system station. And right here as well, you can charge your cell phone. Coming down some more, of course we have traction off, we have your parking, your backup camera, we have your parking sensors and your assist. Of course we have the engine start and stop button, and pressing this M mode, of course, if I rev the gas right now, you see it does go up. If you hit this setup button right here, you can set up how you guys would want to drive. You have your engine, your chassis, your steering, your braking, and coming down here, you guys, this is how you can change the all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive if you would like. And coming down as well, we have the pipes on, and as well this is the gauge to control the infotainment system. And of course you have your media, you have your home page, you have your map, your navigation, and all your controls right there. And of course this is the Kith edition, so you know they got the Kith badging right here as well, with some more carbon fiber. And even on the armrests, we have Kith all on the armrest as well, letting you know that you have the best edition. Now this is nice soft leather as well, pretty nice for your arm. And opening this up, you do have a good amount of space in here, and you do have a USB-C port right there as well. And you guys can fit all type of snacks in here if needed. Give you a look at the passenger side, you do get some more carbon fiber going all the way down, and of course you have another vent, of course, and then we have some nice storage space right here to keep all your information if needed. And looking at the passenger seat does come with the Kith badging as well, and this does illuminate at nighttime. And we have the Kith stitching all over the headrest as well, with the blue and red carbon bucket seats. Giving a quick view of the back as well.